G'day lovelies, welcome back. The first thing I would like to do is warn you that I pronounce things as they are spelt. So on that note, tonight we're going to be testing out the 6-pack of Pain AU chocolate. This is from the COLES frozen bake at home range. They cost $7.50 a packet. Now I've never had these before, so I don't have anything to compare them to. But I did look them up online and this is what I found out. A Pain AU chocolate is a beloved French pastry. Similar to a croissant made from flaky, buttery, laminated dough with 1 or 2 pieces of dark chocolate baked inside. Its rectangular shape and rich melty chocolate filling make it a popular breakfast item or snack. Often called a chocolate croissant in the United States, though it is technically a bread with chocolate in French. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm a little bit excited. Now to bake these, it's exactly the same as the croissants from last night. Preheat our ovens at 190 degrees Celsius or 170 degrees Celsius in a fan forced. We need a baking tray with baking paper. So the oven is up to temperature. We need to spread them out on the tray and we need to cook them from frozen. So I'm going to bang them in the oven and I'm going to turn my timer on for 19 minutes. Alrighty, 19 minutes later and it smells so good in here. Ooh. Mate, they look really interesting. And I'll tell you what, I'm loving this just banging stuff in the oven. Alright, tonight I'm going to do the right thing and go by the directions. I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes and leave them sit there for the 15 minutes. Well, I'm not going to lie, that was a long 15 minutes. Alright, I'm going to move these out of the way. And let's break open this one. Ooh, interesting. And give it a crack. I think the French are onto something. Pastry with chocolate for breakfast? Oh, that was absolutely beautiful. It was just warm still and the chocolate was soft. And for some reason, I've got the urge to dust them in icing sugar. So after trying one, I think they would also be awesome at night time for dessert. Put one in each bowl with some ice cream and I reckon that would be just spot on for dessert. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Pain au chocolat. I think I'll stick to the Aussie language. I looked up how you're supposed to pronounce it and I think that was right. I've got to tell you, for $7.50, I absolutely love them. I think it's totally worth it. What a fantastic brekkie or dessert. And I love the fact that you don't have to put them all in. If there's only 1 or 2 of you in the household, you only have to put 1 or 2 in and you've got desserts or breakfasts for days. I absolutely love that. Go out and grab a pack, give them a crack and let us know down below in the comments what you think. I'll be back tomorrow night at the same time to check out the next one in the range. Thank you all so very much for watching. Have yourselves a great night. And I will see you then. Toodles.